Hello, how are you? We are here at Commercial Distributable testing this machine, a Milano 2300. You can see the parameters. With wire 0.8 in synergistic 2x 51 amps, inductance in 3, aftergas in 1 and volts in 19.8. We are going to use pure argon gas, right? By request of a customer, it is about 12 or 14 liters per minute. Yes, liters per minute, you see it there. And this is what is left in the bottle. Let's weld. A 2 millimeter thin piece of iron is not very clean, but well, to do the test, I think it won't work. The piece is a little dirty, but the truth is that the machine welds. You can see that it is only at 51 amps and it welds perfectly. We had done these tests before with much more amperage, around 100, but it is a lot. It burns the material a lot. And here, well, that, a bead with these parameters, is 0.8 wire for iron with a bottle of pure argon gas. Best regards.